Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. CapCut templates have revolutionized video creation, allowing users to quickly produce professional-looking videos by simply replacing placeholder media. They are a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and even gain visibility if you become a CapCut template creator. There are two main ways to think about making a template in CapCut. First of all, creating a reusable project for yourself. This is simply saving a project structure you have built and duplicating it whenever you want to create a similar video. This doesn't make it publicly available as a CapCut template. We have the second one, which is becoming a CapCut template creator. This involves applying to CapCut's official creator program, getting approved, and then creating templates that other users can discover and use within the CapCut app. This is the path to truly making a template for others. This guide will cover both with a focus on becoming an official creator. The first part is making a reusable project for yourself. This is a private template. This method is perfect if you consistently make the same style of video, e.g., weekly vlogs, intros, product showcases, social media series, and want to save time without going through the official creator program. We are going to use CapCut PC to do this, but you can follow the same steps on your phone. Go ahead and open CapCut on your device. Now start a new project here. Import generic media, place all the clips or images into your project. Now add all the recurring elements, that is text, add titles, lower thirds, calls to actions, and customize their style, animations, and position. Also add transitions, place your desired transitions between placeholder clips. Also add effects and filters. Audio, add your usual background music or sound effects. Adjustments as well, set up any default color corrections or video properties like scale and position. Crucially, ensure elements like text and effects are timed correctly relative to each other, so when you swap out video clips, the timing remains consistent. Now save your project. The project automatically saves as your work. You can go ahead and now duplicate for new videos. From the CapCut desktop home screen, right-click on your template project, select duplicate, rename the duplicated project to reflect your new video, open the duplicated project. Now you can easily drag and drop your new video clips or images to replace the placeholders, modify any specific text, and export your new video while preserving your original template. Let's get to the second part, that is becoming a CapCut template creator, which is for public templates. This process involves applying to the CapCut creator program. These are the requirements and eligibility. So for application, you need to apply to the CapCut creator program. You also need sample videos. You likely need to submit sample videos demonstrating your editing skills and template potential. Engagement or follower count as well. This is implied. Having a decent following or high engagement on TikTok or Instagram can certainly help your application. You also need quality content. Your templates must be well designed, unique, and appealing to a broad audience. Specific age requirements might exist for certain regions. You also need activity. Showing consistent activity and shared videos from CapCut to TikTok can be a factor as well. These are now the steps to become a CapCut template creator. Understanding the opportunity. CapCut rewards creators whose templates are widely used. This can include monetary incentives or increased visibility for your social media channels. Prepare your application and sample videos now. Create unique and trendy edits before applying. Make several high quality, engaging videos using CapCut that showcase your editing style. Also, highlight template ability. Think about what parts of your video could be easily swapped out by another user. Also, ensure text, effects, and transitions are perfectly timed. Now find the creator program application through CapCut's official website or social media. Sometimes CapCut announces recruitment drives on the official social media channels like TikTok, Instagram, or on its website. Keep an eye out for this. You might find specific landing pages for CapCut Creator Program application. Invites as well. Occasionally, existing creators or CapCut staff may invite promising new creators directly. Now go ahead and submit your application. Complete all required fields accurately. Provide compelling sample videos that showcase your best work and demonstrate your potential to create viral templates. Click apply now or submit. You can now go ahead and wait for review. CapCut will review your application. If accepted, you'll receive a notification within the app or via email. Now, once you are approved as a CapCut template creator, you'll gain access to specific features for template submission. Now open a new project or existing project in CapCut, design your template, create your video as you normally would, incorporating placeholders, use placeholder images or clips where users will insert their own media. Ensure these placeholders are well timed and visually impactful. Fixed elements as well, add text, effects, transitions, audio, and adjustments that you want to be fixed within the template. Timing is everything. Pay meticulous attention to the timing of effects, text, and cuts to the beat of the music. This is what makes a template desirable and easy to use. Also, ensure a clear structure. Choose trending elements. Often, the most popular templates utilize trending sounds, popular effects, and current video styles. Now, go ahead and preview and refine. Play through your template multiple times to ensure perfect timing, smooth transitions, and a clear flow. Now go ahead and also test it by imagining someone else using it. Is it intuitive? Now submit as a template if it's intuitive. When you're satisfied with your creation, go to export here option. As an approved creator, you should see an option like post as template or share as template within the export or share menu. Select this option. You may be asked to add a template title or description. Give your template a clear, appealing name. Also add keywords and or tags. Help users find your template through search. Create a preview as well. CapCut usually generates a short preview videos for your template. Your submitted template will go through a review process by CapCut staff to ensure it meets their quality standards and community guidelines. Once approved, your template will become publicly available in the CapCut apps template section. Promote your template. Share links to your CapCut templates on your TikTok, Instagram, and other social media profiles. Also, encourage your followers to use your templates. The more your templates are used, the more visibility you gain. Now, these are some of the tips for creating effective CapCut templates. Identify trends early. Another thing is to keep it simple and intuitive. Strong visuals, use high quality placeholders, and ensure the template itself looks polished. Clear theme or purpose. Sound selection, often the sound is the most crucial element. Choose trending, engaging audio, text and effects, test on different media, and also learn from popular templates. You have now become a prominent CapCut template creator. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.